What are mans? It's Taco Mans. Today I'm going to review my budget-friendly Amazon rifle case and show you how I mounted it on my Tacoma roof rack for camp storage. Let's talk about it. So I bought this Amazon rifle box as a budget-friendly alternative to a Pelican-style roof storage box. This is made from a brand called Magia. I'm not sponsored by them and I bought this box with my own money. Let's quickly review the box and get into the installation. The dimensions are about 53.5 inches by 14 inches by 5 inches tall. There are 4 latches along the front, there's a carry handle and a pressure valve, and 2 points for adding locks. Inside the box there's a gasket around the perimeter. They claim to be rated IP67. There's also a bunch of foam in the box if you're actually using it for gun storage, but I'm using this for roof storage during camping trips and will help declutter my truck bed. To install this box onto my roof rack, I'm planning to use the T-slots on my crossbars. I had some spare T-bolts and nuts laying around. The only extra hardware I needed to buy were flat washers and lock washers, which cost me less than a couple dollars. Inside the box there are these bosses or recessed areas that have reinforced mounting points, so I wanted to use these for the T-bolts. I found the easiest way to figure out the placement was to place the box on the rack and see which mounting points lined up with the roof rack T-slots. After playing around with the placement, I found that the second crossbar and the fifth crossbar worked out the best. I chose these crossbars so my hardware was spaced out but not too far apart. I measured the distance between the T-slots and they came out to almost 29 inches exactly. So I made sure I had that 29 inches of distance between the reinforced plastic with enough space for my washers. Then I drilled out the holes. I didn't need to use so many different bits, but I wanted to prevent damage and tearing the plastic as much as possible. I also didn't want to drill a hole in the wrong place, so I measured and double checked a couple times before starting. I was trying to make the next row of holes as equal as possible so the box would sit straight on the roof rack. I found the best way was to reference the hole distance from the edge of the box and transfer it over. Once the holes were drilled, I installed the T-bolts onto the crossbars and fitted the box on top. At this point, I just needed to fasten everything down. I had some RTV silicone and decided to use it to seal the holes I just drilled, basically putting RTV between the flat washer and the plastic. Then I just hand tightened all the hardware down. I decided to cut down the length of the bolts a bit. I used a Dremel tool with a cutoff disc. Then, because it was cold out, I used a heat gun to help the RTV cure while tightening the bolts down. After a couple hours, I tested the strength of the box by wiggling it down, and so far it looks good. And that's basically done. Fast forward to a week later, I put this roof box to the test, driving it 300 kilometers to a campsite in slush and snow. I was worried that some of my gear might get a bit wet, or if the bolts were strong enough to hold down the box, but it performed perfectly. Everything was super dry, and the T-bolts were holding the box securely in place. I was more concerned with the quality of the materials. It did have some flexibility and seemed to be of a cheaper material than maybe a Pelican. But for the price I paid and for how simple this build is, I couldn't be happier with the results. All in all, I paid 160 Canadian dollars plus tax for the rifle case and a couple extra dollars for the hardware. Having the roof rack with the T-slots was also really helpful. I've linked the box and the roof rack below if you're interested in checking these out. Let me know in the comments if you would try this Amazon box or if you have a better recommendation. Please like, share, subscribe, and vibe. I'll catch you on the next. Taco Man's out. Peace.